I wanted to improve the lighting situation in my YouTube videos. So I searched for a cheap video light on the internet and I bought one for 40 bucks on Amazon. So let's find out if the new light is better than this huge window I'm standing in front of. Let's go!
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's been a while since I posted my last video, and that's mainly because of two reasons. First of all, I'm very busy with work, and second of all, when I want to film a YouTube video, I have to do it in the afternoon, and usually in the afternoon it's dark, because in Austria we have winter, and somewhere between the mountains, and around 3 PM, 4 PM it's dark. And so the light situation is too bad to film a YouTube video. And of course I could use my ceiling light or any other light here in my room, but let's be honest, the footage will look terrible. So I thought, let's buy a YouTube video light. And I don't have a huge budget, so I went for a very cheap one. In the package there was this bag with Raleno on top of it, and inside the bag we have a few different things. First of all, kind of like we have a C-stand to mount the light. It's very cheap, and you can I really feel that it's not high quality, but I think for the 40 bucks I paid for the light and for all of this, yeah, I think it's really fine. Next thing is kind of like the softbox. I mean, you could span this wide open, and then you've kind of like a diffuser you span on top of it. So that's in there as well. And of course the heart of every light is the light bulb. And look at this size. I mean, this light bulb is kind of like the size of my head. So the first thing I'm gonna build up is the C-stand. So let's go. This is it, my new lighting setup. I mean, I put on the lights in the background, so maybe it gives a little bit more depth or creative touch to the image. I placed the softbox next to me in about 45-degree angle, slightly above my head, and I think that's the most flattering way to light the image. So what do I think about the light? Well, I mean, it's not a very expensive light. It was about 40 bucks on Amazon, so yes. You can definitely see that. I mean, a lot of the joints and a lot of the things where you have to tighten stuff and fix it, they're made of plastic. And I can imagine if you tighten them too much, the plastic is gonna break and kind of like the whole C-stand is garbage, or you can throw it away. But if you're a little bit careful, I think this can last you a very long time. Another thing that's really annoying is kind of like the short cable, the short cord. But I mean, you can always buy an extension cord and then place the light wherever you want in your room. I mean, kind of like that's the least kind of problem. But it could have been very handy if the cable was indeed a little bit longer. Another thing is, I mean, you always have to consider that's a light for 40 bucks, so you can't expect kind of like high-end quality light. But I mean, you can dim the light. So it's only an on and off switch, and this is the intensity you have to deal with. You can make it brighter, you can make it darker, but I mean, for 40 bucks, what do you expect? I'm wondering how long this light is gonna last. Maybe it's broken tomorrow, I don't know. But as long as it lasts, I'm gonna use it for my YouTube videos. Because I finally have a lighting setup so I can make videos when it's dark outside. Or I'm not dependent on the lighting situation outside. So, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!